The car is all loaded up. I got some plants, I've got some LED bars, I've got some components for the conversion that might be interesting to show for other people. So I'm heading off for the fair right now. It's 19 kilometers and so far this car has never driven so far. I've been on a little trip for 12 kilometers so far. So I'm excited not only for the fair but for the trip itself. Let's hope I make it there. So, key on. Starting up. Cranking. Everything's on. Change gear to drive. And parking brake off. And here we go. Works like a charm. It's the third and last day of the fair and I'm heading from the train station to the fair now. It's 10 in the morning and the fair starts in like 10 minutes and it's just so beautiful. Look at this, like all the flowers here. It's just amazing. So the fair just opened, it's 10 o'clock and turned on all the lights and so on for the car. So I'm excited to see what this day brings. All the past days the interest has been huge in the car. I've exchanged contact details with tens of people and some newspapers have asked to make some articles or something about the car as well. So I'm really happy and the best thing is that I think I have inspired a lot of people. So that was the goal of even being here, so look forward to this day.